Hello, welcome back to the channel. Yes, and today we are doing the major assignment 2, annual budget. This is the final one of this series. Yes, so they had been told to complete this table on budget expenses, and we'll start here. So these values we are just providing what you think you could use. So the frequency per year for housing will be 12. Utilities would also be 12. That is yearly, every month. Food would be more. I think maybe it would be around 52 a year. That is my estimate. 52. Frequency for transport maybe around 26 a year. Insurance would be maybe twice a year. Maybe you pay semi-annually. Medical and health would be half a year, six times per year. Personal spending 12. Others 4, approximately 4. This one is 12. 12 also. Then the next part is cost. I'll just provide an estimate. This will be 2500. You can also provide your own estimate. The one that you think you'd consume, 600 for this one, maybe 300 for this one, 300, 300, this one 200, transportation, insurance 1500, medical 300, personal spending 200, others 600. This one you just press equal sign and then you go to monthly loan payment cell reference for part 1. So you come student loan 4A and monthly loan payment is this one. Just click it. Okay. Yes, this one it says that should be larger than C25. So you come on credit cards. C25 is this one. So we can say it will be approximately, let's say 69.79, 79.75. Yes, then the total will be is equals to the frequency times the cost, and then we drag the formula down. Since it's copying the formula, I don't want it to copy the formatting, so we can press there. Still copying the format. I don't want it to copy the format, so you can just copy. So we just come here, we paste. So highlight all of it, then paste. This halfway you can drag it down. Yes, like that. You make sure that it's an arrow, and then you fill without formatting. Yes, that's how you do it. Let me repeat for you so that you can get to understand it. So you bring your cursor here, press left click, and then press your, yes, you bring your cursor here, make sure that you see the small plus sign, then right click, and then drag down. Hold the left button and roll down like that, and then fill without formatting. Yes, then the next thing is to highlight the cost and make them to be currency into decimal places. Then is to find the total annual budget, which is equal to sum, and press enter. Then the projected total income, projected total in 5 years will be equal to the total annual times into bracket 1 plus the inflation, enter, and the remaining income will be equal to the year, your 5-year, subtract the projected total is 5 years, enter. And that's how you compute these values. So I will just click per value so that you can see the formula. So for the remaining income, that's the formula here. For projected, the formula is here, up here, so that it can be easy for you to follow. Total budget is the sum. You can check the formula here, and the other one is just multiplication. Yes. The next part is insert a pie chart that shows the percentage of the total annual income represented by each total annual cost for each budget item. Change the chart from the default and equal to percentage of the variables. So you highlight from housing to but you highlight all that, and then you highlight this one, all of it. Yes, up to that point. And then the next thing you have to do is to insert, you have to insert the pie chart. You just, after highlighting, it will be easier to put the chart. Yes, it's that easy. I mean, you just highlight everything. Don't mind how it will appear. Yes, so you just highlight the budget categories, all of them, and then, sorry, let's just repeat. You hold down you go highlight all that one, press Control, then highlight the other part, and then you come to insert. Pie chart is here, pie chart, then I select the 2D. Then it says we change the title, so it will be personal expenses, personal budget expenses, then we have to add data labels, and it says we have to put them as percentage. Yes, data labels include percentage data labels. So we correct in the more button. So to put the data labels, you have to click data labels here, then come here and say more options. So change it from value percentage. Is it misbehaving? Okay. Then press this plus sign here, data labels, then more options, and then we want percentage and don't want the value. Yes, and that's how you create. You can also change the positioning of the regent. You can put them at the left. I think left is okay. No, right is fine with me. Yes, and we can increase the font. We can change the font to 12 and then put it to be Times New Roman, like that. Yes, and we can also enlarge. so that everything is visible. You want everything to appear. You can also change the chart design from that one to that one. Yes, that is fine. So that's how you do that annual budget. Yes, and thank you for watching. Yes, see you soon with more of this series. If there are some, like you can do major assignment 3. Yes, thank you for watching. Thank you. And please, before you go, press the subscription button. Press the subscribe button.